Hello, and welcome to this week's business update. I don't know about you, but I've been looking at my calendar this week and looking at what I have coming up in 2025. One event that is a non-negotiable for me and my growth is leadership. I would love to invite you to join us to San Antonio, Texas, March 3rd through 6th for our annual leadership retreat. If you are able to attend, this event is crucial for you, both for your business and your personal development. Not only is it a great business retreat, but it's a lot of fun. Get your tickets ASAP as prices will increase February 5th. Head to leadership.doTERRA.com to get your tickets and find all the information you need for this event, including qualifications. Now, let's hear about February's exciting promotions and an exclusive event you won't want to miss.
Thanks, guys. Now let's go ahead and talk about February. The product of the month for February is perfect for your New Year's resolutions that I know none of you have given up on yet, and that's a 5 ml Metapower. And we will also have a 10% off of Adaptive. Canada will have a 5 ml Balance and a 10% off of Adaptive 15 ml as well. Now, one last thing that's happening in February that's really exciting is all of our existing leaders and customers who are purchasing the Foundational Wellness Bundle or VMG and E Omega will be getting this Wellness Made Simple gift for free. Now, if you've been purchasing Foundational Wellness or the VMG and E Omega bundles on rewards orders, you will be getting this gift automatically added to your rewards order. And don't forget that this gift includes the 10-ounce glass shaker bottle and the 5 ml peppermint. You don't want to miss it.
Hello, doTERRA family. I'm Eric Larson, and I'm thrilled to invite you to a game-changing event that will help you kick off 2025 with a bang. Mark your calendars for Friday, February 21st, because we're hosting the doTERRA Foundation's virtual workshop, and you don't want to miss it. This is going to be an empowering experience that will leave you feeling more confident and energized than ever before. Whether you're new to doTERRA or a seasoned pro, you'll walk away with practical tools and expert knowledge to effortlessly incorporate our powerful products into your everyday life. We'll dive deeply into some of the most important topics that will transform your health and your business. From creating sustainable, healthy habits to tackling nutrition, exercise, stress management, even improving your sleep. We've got you covered. We're also bringing in top-tier medical and scientific professionals to share what truly sets our products apart. Everything from cutting-edge research to the superior quality of our ingredients and delivery systems. But wait, there's more. We'll wrap up the day with proven business strategies that can help you grow your business like never before. This is the perfect opportunity to learn, grow, and connect with your team. So make sure that you save the date, February 21st, and get ready for a day that will supercharge your year. The doTERRA Foundation's virtual workshop is going to be one for the books.
Hi friends, I'm Kesha Sheets from Western Colorado, and I am so excited to be talking to you guys about my favorite product that doTERRA has ever released, and that is our Metabolic Advantage, which is my favorite collagen ever. Prior to the release of this, I was all but begging doTERRA to please come out with the collagen because I knew their sourcing would knock it out of the park, and that they did. Guys, I have been on collagen a good majority of my life, from the bovine collagen that were quote unquote organic to other marine collagens that I found out the fish were farm raised and fed yucky stuff. So I was disappointed time after time with the collagen sourcing that I was finding. And when they came out with this at the convention that I attended and that we got to taste it at one of the leaderships, I was beyond excited. This is a product that I can confidently, hands down, send my people the little sample pack of 3 and know that they are going to want more of it, whether they sleep better at night, whether they have more energy. Guys, this is one of my top sales. I like to start everyone on a foundational wellness program, and the vitamins and this are it. That is it. Those are the 2 things I am passionate about. And if I have any advice for you guys as fellow wellness advocates, is share with passion and confidence. The passion that you have for this product has got to show in how you are talking to other people, and the confidence as well. I know beyond a shadow of a doubt that I can get people on this and they're going to feel a huge difference. My husband is definitely one of those. He begs me, do not run out of this product. Guys, this is hands down one of my favorite, and with the release of the new flavor, cherry pomegranate, now we have no excuses. We don't have the excuse if it doesn't taste good, right? So this has been a game changer. So many benefits, so different from your ordinary collagens that you can buy on the shelves in other places or from other companies. I've done deep research, and I challenge you guys to do more research in the collagen-based products as well, but also the benefits and just the decline in our own collagen that we lose after the age of 25 and how we age. Who doesn't want to reverse aging on a cognitive level, joint level, appearance level? This is hands down one of our best products. It should be just flying out the door and in everybody's hands. So I have been one of the top enrollers within the company with this product because of my confidence and my belief behind it and the research I've done in the sourcing that doTERRA gets this amazing product from. So this is my favorite, guys. It's a game changer, and I can definitely share this with confidence with anyone and know that they're gonna love it. And now, with, like I said, the cherry pomegranates, they're definitely gonna love it. So I hope you guys get this in your homes, get the new flavor in your home, reintroduce this to your people, let them know the powerful benefits of collagen. And if you don't, do your research. Do your research on all different types so you know hands down that this is going to be the best thing for them. Take care.
Hey, what's up, bro? Check this out. I got my order already, but I'm missing my renewal gift. You got that? Renewal gift. You didn't get that? Let me get back to you real quick. Hold on. Hey, what's up, man? Sorry to bother you. I'm just in a meeting right now. There's a customer here asking about their renewal gift. What is a renewal gift? Peppermint. All right. Did you say SuperMint? Peppermint. I heard mint. Did you say spearmint? The renewal gift? Peppermint. Japanese mint? Peppermint. Bergamot mint? Peppermint. It's been this way for 16 years. Peppermint. We're moving forward with SuperMint. Yeah, I'm moving forward side to side. All of that. Okay, so just to confirm, you're on board with SuperMint. I'm literally on board right now. SuperMint. Yes. Super. Sounds good. Yeah, super good. Super cool. Super fresh. Super good job, dude. Super cool. Yep. All right. See you super later. Don't call me again. All right, my man. Here's your renewal gift. I got you. Wait, this is the renewal gift? Seriously? We haven't changed. You know we haven't changed this in like 16 years. This is big time. All right, I'm posting this. Hold on. Wait, what the? Who approved this?
Wow, so many exciting promotions and events to look forward to. I have a reminder for all of our current doTERRA Rewards VIP members. That means you are earning 30% in December. Make sure to place your 100 PV Rewards order in February, and we're going to drop one of our new VIP bags in your order. That means 100 PV on a single rewards order to get your bag. This promotion is only planned for February, so don't miss out. And maybe show off the perks of doTERRA Rewards to encourage your team and customers to also take advantage of them this year. Thank you for your loyalty and dedication to our doTERRA Rewards program. I know you are going to love the new rewards available to our doTERRA Rewards VIPs. We appreciate you for being such a huge part of what makes doTERRA doTERRA. We are excited and encouraged in this new year to be partnered with you on this journey. I will see you soon.